If you're trying to use photo filters on your iPhone but they're just not working, don't panic. I'm gonna walk you through how to fix it quickly. First, make sure you're using the right mode. Open the camera app and switch to photo mode. Filters won't show up in modes like time lapse or portrait. After that, tap on the arrow at the top in the photo mode and a toolbar will appear at the bottom. Scroll to the right and tap on the three overlapping circles icon to view and apply filters. If the filters aren't showing up, close the camera app completely and reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a refresh. If it's still not working, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can clear out temporary glitches. After that, make sure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Filters might not work properly on older iOS versions. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.